Hello everyone, this video is going to outline the summer 2016 outlook from PRWW. We're going to be looking at two things, that is El Nino and PDO, which we'll be talking about in a second. First, let's start off with the El Nino. As we move into the June, July, and August time frame, we're going to see El Nino in a neutral position because we're approaching a weak La Nina, which we're going to see this winter. Last winter, we had a very strong El Nino, almost record-breaking El Nino. This winter we're going to see a weak La Nina, so right now we're transitioning towards that weak La Nina, and we're going to see neutral El Nino conditions for the summer. Moving on to PDO, right now the PDO is in the positive phase. That means we have cold water out in the western Pacific, while along the eastern Pacific coast, Alaska, British Columbia coast, and along the west coast we have warmer waters. So that is a signature positive Pacific Decadal oscillation. So the next thing we do is take a look at analog years, and these are years that have the same kind of conditions that we're predicting for this summer. So this summer we're looking at a positive PDO and a neutral ENSO. So on the left, we have some examples of analog summers. These are not all of them. There's a huge list of them. There's a huge list that have positive PDO and neutral ENSO. But the best summers are on the right, and these are what we're going to be using to create our forecast. The summer of 1979, 1983, 1985, and 1993. These four years have a positive PDO as well as a neutral ENSO that's approaching La Nina status. So let's take these years and turn it into a forecast. So these three maps are showing what we expect the entire summer to look like. We're expecting for the entire summer we're going to have overall below average precipitation, near average temperatures, and no drought. Now let's break that down into the 3 months we were forecasting for. We're forecasting for June, July, and August. So June we're going to see slightly below average temperatures with below average precipitation. So we move into July, temperatures are closer to average with below average precipitation again. And then August we have slightly below average temperatures with near average precipitation. And if you look at all of that, it actually matches up with these forecasts right here. If you average each of the temperatures and each of the precipitation, it works out so that the last map that I just showed you gives you the entire summer forecast. So that's all we have for you today. This is a look at the summer ahead, and have a great day.